Welcome aboard Lady Liselot. This video is a somewhat different setup than the regular ones. And because I have published some videos of this route already, I decided for another setup. But first, in the previous video I took you from my regular anchorage on Kaag Lake to the bunker station. And due to malfunction of two bridges in the most logical route, we had to circumnavigate. This tour is all about visiting the boatyard to repair both my bow and my stern thruster. The bow thruster is damaged because of something stupid I did. Yep, that needs some explanation. I thought it would be a good idea to have a button on my dashboard to operate the anchor winch from the wheelhouse. So I installed the buttons, I drilled a 14mm hole for the power line and I connected the anchor winch and ta-da! It works! By pressing a button, the anchor goes up or down. What I had not taken into account is that as soon as the boat picks up speed, the bow wave pushes water through the outlet of the anchor locker, and so the water in the anchor locker rises, creating a nice flow of water exactly on my bow thruster. It seems that most bow thrusters do not like wet feet. It took me some time to find a yard who could repair my brand. So here we are. Let's continue our journey to the city called Raamsdonksveer. But first, I take you from the bunker station through Alphen aan de Rijn, Boskoop and Waddinxveen to the locks in Gouda. Alright, and off we go. Slowly. With 1100 liters of diesel bunkered, we are heading for the first bridge in Wouwbrugge. And as we arrive at the bridge, the operator tells me he is expecting a commercial barge and we have to wait. The moment this barge, called Zapata, is in the neighborhood, we hear that the bridge will stay closed for something important. Yes, the operators are informed when the fire department, police or ambulance crosses one of their bridges they operate. In the previous video we met the special transport on this spot. We will meet that transport later again in this video.
The bridge is behind me. I had the mast down, but the battery of my camera was low, so I decided to not take pictures and wait until there is at least 50% in the battery. It is now. Sandbarge Zapata still behind me, and we will be a convoy through Alphen aan den Rijn. Have a look, there's a party boat. Yeah, people are doing funny things when it's summer. So normally in winter it takes 40 minutes to pass all the bridges in Alphen aan den Rijn. On port side you can see this very nice sailing barge, and in summer it takes much longer, but since we have Zapata behind us, they will open up quickly. Yeah, so what is the phrase that I always use in those circumstances? Happy sailor! I am.
One of these sailboats is from Denmark and packed with people. Later on my journey I find out that 5 people on this boat are starting a world tour, and the rest of the crew is family, who will join them until France, so this is some kind of goodbye tour. Within 700 meters there are the train bridges of Gouda. Their height is 7 meters and I can lower the mast so I can continue, but hey, the special transport and the sailboats must wait for the bridges to open. And the moment that I arrive at the Gouda locks, the operator tells me to wait, since the special transport needs both locks. Well, and I would say this is a good moment to say goodbye. Thank you very much for joining me on this trip, and please pop the like button if you liked the content so far. And do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye!